Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making strawberry hobnob cheesecake. Into my blender I'm going to add half of my strawberries and blitz them up. I'm now going to add a tablespoon of honey, a pinch of black pepper, zest of a lemon, half lemon juice, fresh mint, I'm now going to cut up the other half of strawberries into quarters and add them into the bowl. In my bowl I have added mascarpone. I'm now going to whisk it up a little bit. I'm now going to add a tablespoon of icing sugar, and 300 millilitres of double cream. I'm now going to whisk this together until it becomes thick. I'm now going to add all my ingredients together. First, I'm going to add some biscuit on the base. I'm then going to pipe some cream next. A spoonful of our strawberry mixture. Some more biscuit. More strawberry. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.